With some rain clouds starting to obscure our views, it seems.
Yeah, it is going to be wet. Really a substantial amount of rain on the way, at least for some of us. Now, today there'll be a few downpours, but they are going to be more local, and we're likely to see some thunderstorms forming as well if they haven't formed where you are already.
Good afternoon. It's been a largely grey, cloudy day so far, and there's very little in the way of brightness to come this afternoon, just more grey skies. Now, we've had some showery rain. We're likely to see more showers developing this afternoon, and the Met Office has a yellow weather warning in place for thunderstorms. That's valid through to midnight tonight.
We need to talk weather, Sally, because Esther will agree with me. We are very disappointed with today.
I know, I'm sorry, Esther. I'm so sorry. You can blame me. It regularly happens, and I've got a thick skin now. Yeah, not great today, and a bit dodgy tomorrow. If you hang on in there, it's going to gradually get better through the week. Here we go, let's take a look.
Promises.
Hello again, a very good evening to you. I hope you had a lovely day. I thought you might like some beautiful flowers to make up for that rain we had today. We have got the risk of thunderstorms continuing with us this evening and a warning in place for that. Then tomorrow you could well see some further thunder and lightning, but also some patchy rain around, a fair bit of cloud. It's not a beautiful day for most of us. And into Thursday, turning dry as we go through the day, an improving picture. The levels of grass pollen aren't too bad for the next couple of days. They will climb up a bit, it's looking like, on Friday. And there is still a bit of tree pollen in the air as well, I'm afraid. That's it from me. Have a great evening. Cheerio.
Well, Rita, most of us have had cloud and rain out there today, but there's been a bit of blue sky and sunshine. I can show you that from County Antrim here. But we've had some cumulus clouds and a bit further west across Northern Ireland. They've been producing some really heavy showers and some thunderstorms too. And there is, of course, a bank holiday weekend looming, and actually some better news. Things look a little bit drier, a bit brighter. There will be a few showers on the cards as we head through the course of the weekend, but they won't be as heavy as the middle of the week, and things should warm up by a few degrees. Rita.
Now, Wendy was very lucky to escape the rain earlier, but it has been a very soggy day today with some thundery showers out there as well. Now, the Met Office have a yellow weather warning still in force for these thunderstorms, valid until midnight tonight, as there could still be a few heavy showers, maybe the odd rumble of thunder with the risk of hail as well.
Hello, thanks for joining me. We had some wet weather today, but Wednesday, for some of us, is going to be a washout. Persistent rain, heavy at times on the way, and it's starting this evening.
Alex is here, and there's some severe weather warnings still in place, aren't there?
Absolutely, and it probably does come as a bit of an unwelcome surprise, actually, for those of us that have been enjoying the above-average temperatures and the sunshine that we saw at the weekend just gone by. But this was the situation across eastern parts of London earlier today. Quite miserable as this weather front has moved through. Cloudy skies, outbreaks of rain, which at times have been relatively heavy. In fact, let's take a look at the bigger picture and the satellite and radar from around 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can see that band of rain as it moved in, but we've also been seeing thunderstorms across parts of the West Country, northern parts of Wales, and also for Northern Ireland as well. And there is more to come as we head through the next few days. It stays thoroughly unsettled over the next 24 hours. In particular, we're going to get this area of low pressure move up. That's going to bring some heavy downpours through tomorrow, for which there are a number of warnings in place. In fact, we can take a look at those warnings right now. So, as we head through this evening, up until 9 o'clock, we've got some weather warnings in place for thunderstorms across the south, also across the north as well for Northern Ireland. So it could be some localised impacts here. These will expire by the time we get to midnight. And then as we head into tomorrow, through the early hours, in fact, we're going to see these rain warnings kick into place. There is a possibility that across northern parts of Wales and the northwest of England that we could see more than a month's worth of rainfall in 24 hours. That would cause some impacts, and these warnings could well be updated as we head into tomorrow. So keep a watchful eye on the latest Met Office warnings. Right, let's take a look at the forecast right now. Well, let's take a look at the next few days as we creep towards that bank holiday weekend as well. But for the time being, it does stay relatively unsettled, cloudy for many as we head into tomorrow, and also turning a touch cooler. So all looking pretty unsettled over the next 24 hours. As I say, keep a watchful eye on those warnings. They could be updated, but it is looking like a pretty wet day, particularly across the northwest of England tomorrow.
OK, Alex, thank you.